How to use Amazon AU, subscribe and save. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is obviously get into your Amazon and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what are we going to do is browse through the exact product that you want to buy, right? So let's just say I want to buy this exact product. Then from here, before like setting up order or anything, here you'll be able to see the option of subscribe and save. Simply tap on it, and then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of add subscription to cart, or you can subscribe right now. Simply tap on subscribe. Then from there, you will get into the further process of how you'll be able to buy it, right? So all you need to do is confirm your address, and then you can confirm your payment method. In order to confirm your order, you can simply like pay for it, and just like that, you can tap on the option subscribe in order to use the subscribe and save. Now from there, you can now, like I said, check out to activate your subscription discount, and that is all you need to do in order to use your subscribe and save in your Amazon AU. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.